Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Huda. In this video, I will show to you about drone mapping. Firstly, this lab was conducted by put these 12 papers at 12 locations at Bukit Bucu. Then the GPS reading were recorded in 12 places where the papers placed. Next, we are going to learn about drone. When doing this lab work, the drone that used is DJI Phantom for multispectral. What is multispectral imaging? It captures and records light across a range of wavelengths within the electromagnetic spectrum. This drone model used to do research and mapping. And it has RTK. What is RTK? RTK is real-time kinematic, which is a technique used to increase the accuracy of GNSS positions using a fixed base station that wirelessly sends out correctional data to a moving receiver. Next, the component of drone. Drone divided by two components, which is the remote controller and the body of drone. It has landing gear. Landing gear can absorb shocks and vibration, providing stability when the drone is landing, taking off, and in flight. Next, it has one RGB camera and a multispectral camera array with 5 cameras covering blue, red edge, and near-infrared bands. It's built-in stabilized imaging system that collects comprehensive data sets. Next, it has intelligent flight battery that comes with smart charging and discharging management and the auto-discharging function. In addition, it supports setting when the controlled self-discharge begins. 2 silver ring and 2 black ring propellers help drone to fly. Next, it has propeller guard that used to protect the propellers from causing injury or harm to the things in the environment. Next, flying drone simulation. Firstly, the drone was put at the open space and far from any obstacles such as the trees. Then, DJI Ground Station Pro application was opened in iPad mini. Tap to select an RTK positioning method. Make sure the RTK is in fixed status. Tap the plus icon to create a new mission plan. Select the 3D map area to create a new mission. Select Tab to create a mission. Tap on the map to create a mission plan for the area we want to map, which is Bukit Bucu. Drag the point to adjust the size of the area. Name the mission first as Bukit Bucu. Set the shooting angle as cross-aligned in basic settings. In advanced settings, it is recommended to set the front overlap ratio to 60% and side overlap ratio to 60%. The flight speed will change as you adjust the overlap ratio. The course angle can be adjusted to reduce the flight path for higher efficiency. Tap the FPV window to adjust camera settings. Enable center wake metering in RGB mode. AE should be unlocked. Camera on auto mode. The camera setting for RGB imaging and multispectral imaging should be set separately. Tap multispectral to enter the NDVI live view. Select average metering in NDVI mode. AE should be unlocked. Camera on auto mode. Tap visible to go back to the RGB live view. When the setup is done and the live view stays in the NDVI mode, the camera will save 1 NDVI and 5 narrowband photos. For every image in the mission, switch to RGB mode to capture 1 RGB and 5 narrowband photos. Tap the map at the bottom right corner to jump back to the mission view. Tap this gear icon to set the parameters of the current mission as the default parameters for future mission. Tap the save icon on the left to save the mission. Select the mission, check the parameter settings. Then tap edit. Total time drone will fly is 1 minute 52 seconds. Then the height drone will fly is 122 meters from the ground. Then all of the bands that will be recorded. Tap Fly to check the status of the drone. When everything is ready, tap Start to Fly to begin the mission. The drone landing when the mission is finished. So, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.